Hello guys, this video is about Arduino simulator, and I have found it very useful. I have been using in many videos you have already seen. So this is just an introduction video about this simulator for Arduino. So go to the website called tinkercad.com. When you go to this website you will see Autodesk, Tinkercad, and gallery, blog, learn, tech. Just you have to sign in or you can join. If you already have the account you can just sign in. If you don't have account you can join. So I have already have account, I've been using it. So on this website you can also learn and teach as well. Here we have the start tinkering and join your class, and just click on sign in. You can type here your username and then your password. Why it's not letting me in? Let me type my complete email. When you log into this website, you will see two things on this website. On the left side you can see the 3D design and circuits. So for Arduino simulation you can go to the circuits. If you want to print or make a 3D design, you can create 3D design. Just click on new design. So I will go to the circuits, and here you can click on create new circuit. And you will see the white canvas, and on the right side you can see there are different components are available on the website, like resistor, capacitor, LED, push button, potentiometer, light switch, batteries, Arduino here available, micro servo and servos, DC motor, hobo gear motors, and PIR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, like that. But there are just limited components. If you want more components, just click on this, and on the drop down menu you can select the all components. So all the components will come up. Now you can see the Renew Pixel LED is now encoder motor is here, LCD, IR remote, IR sensor, different types of breadboards, and oscilloscope, power supply, multimeter, and function generator, ripple 5 timer, and some other NMOS, PMOS transistors, and double pole, double throw relay, 5-volt regulator, and 3.3-volt regulator, L29 3D IC, H bridge IC to control DC motor. So if I want to simulate Arduino, you can click on Arduino and hold it and just drag it out. So here we have the Arduino. You can zoom in, zoom out by using your mouse scroll. You can scroll up to zoom in, scroll out down to zoom out. So if you want to rotate this Arduino board or any component, just select this board and click on this icon. You can rotate your board. So I will bring it like here, and if you want to delete it you can just click on delete button, it will be deleted. So bring the Arduino back, and you can undo and redo button, they are also available. So there are mini breadboard is also available, different types of breadboard available. You can use small breadboard, you should have the good internet connection to simulate on this website. So let's just say I will bring this LED and resistor. So if I want to change the value of resistor, click on the resistor. You can see here the menu pop up and you can change the value. I will change into 220 ohm resistor. So you can see the color coding also changes. So if I want to change the color of this LED, click on this LED. You can change any color you want. So I will leave it as a red. So now make a connections. I have the LED which has cathode terminal always goes to ground, and this anode will goes to pin 13, but we have to add a resistor to limit the current. So just make a connection like this. Just click on the terminal and make a wire to that. If you want to delete any wire you can just select it and click on delete, or you can like this, or you can just make a wire and press the delete button from the keyboard. So if you want to change the color of this wire, you can also change. This menu will comes up and you can change the wire color. Now to simulate this LED as a blink code, this is a basic code. So click on code. You can see the code written in a block form. So I will change it into text form. Click on continue, and here you can see void setup, pin mode 13, LED pin 13 output in a loop section, digital write LED pin 13 as a high, delay after delay digital write as a low, and also delay after that. So to start the simulation, just click on start simulation and you will see this LED will start blinking. This LED is blinking. Now stop the simulation. If you want to download the code, just click on the code and click on this download icon. And here we have some libraries, and this is also a code debugger. And if you want to download this image, just click on share and click on this download button. This image will be download to your PC in a downloads folder. So this is pretty much it. You can simulate any project you want here, and I will make more tutorial videos and different projects on this particular platform. I already have some tutorials uploaded to my channel. You can visit and watch all of them, and they will be very helpful. You can learn also basic connections of the electronics here as well, and simulate them instead of buying component and making and doing some tedious task. So you can just make it here, and then you can do something in a real. So this is just a good website. I am using this for many time. After it's been using almost 2 years. I have been using this website, and it's pretty good. And thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel.